Hello there, friend, and welcome. Today we will be doing single crochet together. I have prepared a foundation chain with 11 chains. The loop on the hook is never counted, it's a working loop. This is the first stitch from the hook, and this is the second one. First one and second. It's the second one we will be working in. This is the front loop and this is the back loop. So you go in through the back loop of the second chain from the hook. You yarn over, you pull through one, you yarn over, and you pull through both. In the next chain, you yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, and pull through both. Into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. It's important to remember that the direction that we are crocheting in is to the left when you are a right-handed person. Into the next loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through both, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. We will do it the whole row. Into the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. Two more. And the last one of this row. Now we have done, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 single crochets. To crochet in row, we need to flip everything like you turn a page in a book. You need to make one chain, which is called a turning chain. For single crochet, it's normally one turning chain you have to do. Now we have two loops that we have to work through. So we go in here, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. The next is here because it's a little bit tricky in the beginning to see it. Yarn over, yarn over. So the next one will be here. Yarn over. Yarn in there, yarn over, pull through. It's important that you keep the tension on the yarn in your left hand so the loops and the stitches, they become equally sized. Yarn over, pull through. The last one can be a little bit tricky to see. It's important that you count your stitches so you don't miss anyone, because then your work will be a little bit skew. So here, yarn over and pull through. So this is what it looks like. We have done 2 rows of single crochet. If we turn it around, it will look the same. Well done. Stay tuned for the next episode.